Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to maintain your vintage snare drum. I have a 60s era Slingerland drum set. This is the throw that came off of the drum set originally. This is one that was sitting in my toolbox. Either this or the washer, which they must have got rid of this a little bit later. I'm guessing this is a later version. These are supposed to press into this ball right here, and that keeps the threads from moving. These are so sloppy that they're not really contacting even when the snare is in the thrown position. So I'm going to fix those. I'm going to choose which one to do. There are slight differences in both of these. When you turn them over, you can see that the throw works this way, so it goes up vertically. There's a hole that allows this to slide up vertically. This one does not. It slides up at an angle, and then you can see there's a flat spot that it goes in, and that keeps it. This throw is so sloppy here at the rivets that the throw will actually come off. So I've had to tape it in the past in a pinch, and I'd rather not do that. So this one actually has a better design. I would like to use this one if possible. This whole thing is held on by a little lock washer that's down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just unthread this. So here's this one removed. There is a little lock washer here that needs to be removed, and then this entire piece can come out of here. So all I need to do is take two little screwdrivers. Here's that little lock. I'm going to need that. This is a throw off of a Gretsch, and I'm going to completely bastardize it. I need this foot because you can see the mounting points are different. These are farther apart than these are. So I need this. I'm going to take this off. Spring. I'm going to remove it by loosening that, taking this whole thing off. Oh, look at that. It comes off that way, not this way. Interesting. That's going to go here. This is going to go back on here. So I'm just going to tighten it up a little bit. That turns nice. The cool thing with this throw, it's got a spring. So now, when I tighten this piece back on, slide it back on the slide, and instead of the washer stopping it from turning, this spring is going to stop it from turning. So put it up here. Does it want to turn? Definitely does not want to turn. Move it down. Can I turn it? I can turn it any which way I want. No problem. Okay. So that's the finished and improved Slingerland snare throw. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff today. I showed you how to fix a sloppy snare throw.